set.
Set position. This time they get away cleanly. It's an excellent start by Robert Miller of Hydel. Inside from St. Jago, Romario Jimison. Step forward now. Robert Miller of Hydel. He takes command. Robert Miller of Hydel looks good for the gold medal. Yes, he gets there. 13.41 seconds of flash time. The central champion becomes the Class 1 champion here at the Boys and Girls Championships. Redemption for Robert Miller. He fell in the 400 hurdles final. No misfortune this time around. He lands the gold medal for the Class 1 boys in 13.41 seconds. The silver in 13.48 goes to Dijon Swain of Calabar. Bronze 13.59 taken by Tajanil Gordon of Kingston College.
Robert Miller gets redemption indeed, Spencer. Falling in the 400-meter hurdles, came into this race focused, starts well, hurdling tall, fast in between, strong, powerful, opening up, running away from the rest of the field into the race, into the finish line. 13.41 the flash time for Miller of Hydel, formerly Calabar. Here a closer look at him, bringing the trail leg around, a little bit room to bring it a little bit more in front of him, but arm action very good, really focused, snapping down and running really fast in between. Swain of Calabar, who came in with the fastest from qualify, caps the silver, and Tajanil Gordon, a reliable competitor for Kingston College, competed in the 400-meter hurdles last year at Champs. This time around bronze in the 110-meter hurdles in Class 1 boys, but it's Miller who gets redemption after falling last night. He comes back to win it in the shorter event. He's the sprint hurdle champion for Class 1 boys.
Sweet, sweet redemption. He didn't even look at the clock. He didn't care about the clock. All he wanted was the gold.
Robert Miller gets the gold medal in Class 1, 13.41 seconds. Dijon Swain of Calabar, silver, 13.48. And KC's Tajanil Gordon gets the bronze in 13.59 seconds. Robert Miller from Calabar to Hydel.